Dr. Tom Pousti now provides CoolSculpting treatments for removal of unwanted fat cells. CoolSculpting smoothly pulls undesired fat cells in the body, resulting in a painless, controlled eradication of fat cells. Research determined that fat cells are more vulnerable to cold temperatures and when introduced to these cold climates are effortlessly and permanently demolished. Beginning weeks after the cooling application, the cooled fat cells initiate the process of solidifying the fat cells without destroying surrounding tissues, eventually causing the cells to shrink and disappear naturally. Gradually, as the cells diminish, the depth of the fat layer will be reduced. Ultimately, ideal candidates are active and are at or near their goal weight, but are unable to get rid of stubborn fat with diet and exercise. They should be concerned with specific areas that include stored fat, not concerned with their entire body. The CoolSculpting method is not intended as a weight loss solution. The first few minutes can be somewhat uncomfortable as the cooling sensation takes effect, but usually diminishes after time. The first step is consulting with a physician and selecting an area or areas to be treated. The applicator, available in small, medium, or large, will then be placed on the skin while the device begins firmly pulling up the skin between the two cooling panels. Once the bulge is obtained in the applicator, the device will continue a sucking motion in a constant rhythm for about an hour or so when the procedure is complete. Immediately following the treatment, your skin may feel stiff and transient blanching may appear. Different from other techniques of fat loss, CoolSculpting excludes the use of needles, anesthesia, or pain medication, recovery time or restrictions, and surgery. Throughout the treatment, controlled cooling is administered with a non-invasive applicator to an area intentionally targeting fat cells. As the procedure is initiated, vacuum pressure draws the tissue into an applicator cup between cooling panels. The vacuum pressure may cause sensations of deep pulling, tugging, and pinching in the area being treated. The procedure can take 1 to 2 hours depending on the area being treated. Undeniable results are seen with one treatment, but for more dramatic effects, you may wish to have additional treatments performed. Results are sometimes visible within 3 weeks following your treatment, but full results will be noticeable within 2 to 4 months. As a non-invasive procedure, the CoolSculpting treatment allows for immediate return to normal daily activities with no restrictions. Immediately following the treatment, the area may appear red anywhere from the first few minutes to the first few hours, but this is completely normal, along with minimal localized bruising, which usually disappears within a few weeks. Some patients may feel a numbing sensation to the treated area lasting anywhere up to 8 weeks.